Welcome everybody to Omnisend's marketing tip series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and make you better marketers. This week is all about growing your list. After all, it's the lifeblood of a profitable email program. Today, let's talk about pop-ups and the types of information to collect. Now, one common question is, should I collect information like birthday, location, and gender? While these can all help you to some degree, my recommendation is to focus on customer intent and collect only the information you need or will immediately use. When it comes to customer intent, think to yourself, why did someone sign up for my email program? Was it so they could receive a birthday message 8 months from now? Was it so they could share their zip codes? Was it because they didn't care about your products? Of course not. The intent is most likely to make a purchase. So while birthday and location are nice to have, they're not need to have pieces of information. Now, information like gender is slightly different. Knowing their gender may help you determine the style of products they may be shopping for. This is information you will use immediately, like with customized product recommendations or features in your welcome series. Then you can collect it. Otherwise, don't bother. You can get this information with your welcome messages themselves. More on this in a later episode. The same holds true for other types of similar information, like whether they're a B2B or B2C buyer, if you service both types of customers, or for some heavy gifting sites, asking the customers if they're shopping for themselves or for a gift. My recommendation is to keep this information to a need-to-know minimum and let them carry on with their shopping sessions. Curious about whether you should collect mobile numbers? I'll address this tomorrow, so be sure to check back. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of our marketing tip series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, happy marketing.